One way to handle a divorce is through the collaborative process. The collaborative process is not understood by many folks. As a matter of fact, most attorneys don't know what collaborative divorce is. The collaborative process starts with the signing of a pledge. The pledge is a contract between the parties, between the divorcing couple, agreeing not to go to court. So both sides sit down together and they're each represented by counsel, and they sign a pledge. And the pledge literally says that they've chosen not to engage in the court process, that either party can withdraw from the collaborative process at any time, but if they do, their attorneys are going to have to withdraw. All sides are motivated to settle the case in an amicable manner. After the signing of the pledge, where both parties are represented by counsel, what we do is we talk about taking away the threat of litigation, taking away the adversarial nature of a collaborative case. So we talk about how would we like to handle the divorce, and we want to do this in a manner that's peaceful and amicable, and in a manner where we're going to listen to the other side's goals and objectives and really try our best to meet those goals. The collaborative process is generally broken down into 4 sessions. It's not always 4 sessions, but in a prolonged case, you're going to have up to 4 sessions. The first session generally deals with something called a binder ritual, and during the binder ritual, we exchange all the pertinent financial documents, and this is a process that can oftentimes take 6 to 12 months in the context of a litigated family law case, and we do it in one 2-hour session in collaborative. So that is the first session, and then we oftentimes have a session on child custody if children are involved, and then we have a session pertaining with support. That could include child support, post-separation support, and alimony, so spousal support. And then we have a 4th session on property distribution. So there's a lot of advantages to collaborative divorce. One of those advantages is we can have neutral experts. For example, in collaborative divorce, if the parties can't agree on custody, if they're unable to agree on custody, then we can hire a child specialist to help us work through those child-related issues. If there are issues over the finances, financial disputes, for example, if the parties own a family business together and that's difficult to value, then we can bring in a financial specialist to value the business and assist us with the process. So collaborative divorce is generally 4 sessions where the parties sit down together in the same room to work through their conflict without having to wait for court time to be available or go before a judge or have the inconvenience of having to miss work to be in court. If you have any other questions about the matters discussed today, give us a call or send us an email.